So this is gonna be a let you one. How do you integrate the shit? XX? No. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's just be clear. It's X dx. Okay, there we go. Now this is a let you situation. Let you. So basically, we're gonna integrate this. We're gonna process this. What's the fucking word for it? We're gonna integrate this, of course, not as sine 5 because that will be so hard. So very, very hard. So we're gonna use let you. But how? First, let us do some identities. So basically, we can split it up like this. We can split sine 5 into different values. It's gonna be let you sine 5 into different values. So sine 5 could be equal to, of course, the integration of sine to the fourth power sine x to the fourth power and sine x dx. So that could work. So it's something we could use. Not gonna touch sine x for now because we're gonna still have to do something about sine 4x because there's no integration for that. I'm gonna this is also another one. You could split the what you call this? Fucking power exponent. Yeah, you could expand that even more. So we could use something until we find an identity. So until we can find an identity, we could use. So this is looking sine x dx. So that itself is something we could work with because this is actually an identity. This is a trigonometric identity for a circle. Or was it? I think for a circle, yeah. A circle. So basically, sine. So this is actually an identity for a circle. Sine 2x plus cosine 2x is equal to 1. So that's the identity. Now what should we fucking do? Now since we already have sine 2, we want the identity of sine 2. So we subtract both sides with cosine x2. So cosine x2 and 2x. Okay, so it's gonna cancel out since this is gonna be 0. And this the whole identity itself. Please do not notice you do not see. You do not see. My back is paining. So we already have the identity of. So this is a trigonometric identity. Trigo. Okay, this is a sine 2x is equal to 1 minus cosine 2x. So as you can see, these two are actually the same. Look. This motherfucker is this. So we could use this. We could use this one, and carry it over onto the process. So it's gonna delete those. Gonna remove those. Okay. Now you could just run. Why do I sound so tired? I'm not even doing that much. But yeah. So this sign. So we're gonna have. So yeah, as we remember, it was 1 minus cosine 2x. Is this. then sine x it is sine x dx. There you go. So what to do? So this the part where we do the let you thingy. Yeah, the let you be the one. So basically let you is just let you is making making this problematic thingy, this problematic one. I just call it problematic. Basically, we simplify this. So we're gonna let cosine x be ru. So let u be cosine x. We're not gonna carry on this power, this exponent, because it will definitely complicate everything. So we're just gonna use dx. So du is equal to sine x dx. Was it right? Was it negative? Was it negative? Oh, yeah, it was negative. So it was negative. It's basically negative x dx. But yeah, now we're not. So this is what we are gonna have right now. So we have it right now. This we're gonna use our secret sauce, our problem sauce. This dude. So what you're gonna do? So what do we do with this motherfucker? So let me just rewrite the. So let me just rewrite this problem here. Okay. So it's gonna be 1 since we let cosine x be u be cosine x. So it's gonna be u, and of course, yeah, u. It's gonna be u, and this is gonna be our exponent. So see, look. It's less problematic than we could look than it looks like. So wait, we have u here. What the one will be integrating is x dx. What the fuck would do? What the fuck should we do? Now this where du comes in to rescue, because you can't integrate with a different I forgot these terms, fuck. But you can't integrate with a different dx, especially if you. So what should we do? So we are going to manipulate this motherfucker. We're gonna be manipulating this. We're manipulating this into something we could work. We could plug in. We could input. We could input here. That's something usable. So since we already have dx here, we have u here. We have du. We need to get du, or at least we need to have du into this system, into this equation. So how do we do that? Basically, we could just we can divide both sides by sine x. Negative sine x. What side? Negative sine x. Bear with me. It's gonna look long. So it's gonna be canceling this out. Oh, without the dx, we're just gonna it's gonna cancel out. It's gonna be 1. And so we're gonna be left behind. I'm gonna erase this. You're left behind with dx becoming du over negative sine x dx. Negative sine x. So this is what we're working with now. Oh look, there's dx. Motherfucker can do something right now. Motherfucker can be... Mofo can be usable. So dx, what do we do now? So we're gonna plug it in. We're gonna write it. So this is gonna be this is gonna be the flow of our equation. Meep. Beep. Meep. Yeah. So it's gonna be 1 minus u squared. Or squared under squared. Then we have this sine x dx. Sine x dx. So it's gonna be sine x. And remember, dx has already become. So I'm gonna write there. Dx is gonna be du over negative sine x. Oh, look at that! Would you look at that? Look at that sine x. Oh, look at that sine x. So this is gonna be the. I don't know if I don't have ADHD, but we're gonna act like we have one. I don't know. We never checked. So there we go. Oh look. A little bit. Just gonna make that fraction. Oh look. There's something similar. Look at that. So we could cancel them out. Basically, there's gonna be -1. And you. Oh my god, there's gonna be something usable. Look at that. So, just gonna copy it again. U squared u. Oh look, since it's already -1. Oh, it's negative du. It's usable. So with this formula right here, with this one right here, we're actually doing something now. We're cooking, guys. We're cooking. That. So what was that? Okay. So it's on 1 minus 2. So it's gonna be pip pop 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 bang. So negative can shut the fuck up and go outside. You need to leave the motherfucking leave. So we're gonna put that outside of there, so we can focus on them. On them people. We have du. How do we process this? Oh no. So this is actually, of course, a quadratic equation. I'm just gonna use a foil, a different foil, of course. So this is actually squared, of course. So it's gonna be meep meep. There we go. Oh, wait. Let me just check stream. Kisatsu. So bad. Wait. Kisatsu. Okay. Focus tayo, guys. This, So we cannot integrate this yet, but we can simplify this into something more chewable, something more edible. So first, foil, of course, is first, which is first. So 1 times 1 is just 1. Then plus outer, so ud squared, u squared plus u squared, because it's 1 times u squared. Then negative u squared. I forgot. Negative u squared. Negative u squared. Negative u squared. plus another negative u squared. Another negative u squared. And of course u squared is gonna be u to the fourth power. Then just du. Du. Oh. So that's u. Then of course gonna simplify that. So 1 plus, it's actually minus because it's already negative. 1 minus, it's gonna be negative 2u. Negative 2u. Got a plus. Negative fourth power. U negative fourth power. Du. So this is something workable now compared to this one, because we can't just do it like this. So what do they do now? What do you do now? So remember, when integrating u du, it's actually doing as u n plus 1. So n is our exponent plus 1, then another n plus 1 plus c. Now the plus c, I can just do them after processing everything, kasi we can do this simultaneously. So how would we do that? So we do that. So can't gotta be du minus a plus. Let's see this. Yep. Du plus 2 u squared du plus this one for raised to u for du. So with this we could actually do the integration now. So u du integration of u is u plus, so we can just every constant we can move out. So move out to, then process u do du, that shit dash it. So it's gonna be multiplied by 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. It's gonna be baby 3 over, and there we go, meep plus another one. So plus 1 but 4 plus 1, it's gonna be 5. So it's gonna be 5. It's gonna be u 5 over 5 plus c. Now, as we remembered, our cosine x, or our u, we let you, our u is actually our u is actually cosine x. So we can now plug this motherfucker in back on his place. So this is the current equation. Now we could just do is plug this back in. Remember, u is equal to cosine x. So we can just plug them in. So cosine x plus, or minus rather, 2, then cosine to the third power x over 3 plus another cosine 5 x 5. That's something we're working with, plus c, since it is an integration. So this is the whole fucking up. No fucking answer. All that processes on just this answer. Bro. This from this to this. So let me just write this back. Add another layer for the answer. So so this is the question that we had. So we started with this. So meep. Sine to the fifth power dx. There you go. And the answer to this is actually cosine x. Cosine x. Is it cosine? Cosine x plus 2 cosine to the third power x over 3 plus cosine to the fifth power x over 5 plus c. So that's pretty much the answer. That's pretty much the answer. I'm just gonna name this layer done.